myself. And if it weren't for my attention, you wouldn't have been successful. And if it weren't for me, you would never have amounted to very much. So you learned all you know from me, and I know you depend on me like a young thing would to a guardian. I know you sexualize me like a young thing would, and I think I like it. Yeah, this could get messy. You don't seem to mind. Don't go tell everybody else. Of your family, and we best keep this to ourselves and not tell any members of our inner posse. And I wish I could tell the world, cause you're such a pretty thing when you're done up properly. And I might wanna marry you one day if you watch that weight and you keep your front body.
That was great. Thank you. Alanis Morissette.